Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you will be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. And the very first thing to the Pakistani nation's happy Independence Day from Yasir Aftab. On this day, I would suggest something from the for the whole world, especially the Western countries, especially the Indians people. I want to say the Pakistani nation, this is the time we will get the in freedom from mentally diseases, freedom from hunger, freedom from wants, freedom from Western countries helps, freedom from the vulgar cultures which we adopt, the Western culture. This day, the very precious thing, this day, the very rare things, we will get the freedom of Kashmiri people from Indians. You know, and also me and also you hear the daily basis news. Kashmiri people live lives with the restriction of Indians, with the restrictions of the Britain, with the restrictions of the Western people, because Western people, they do not want to get to want to give the freedom of Kashmir, freedom the Kashmiri people, because they have no human rights. If they have human rights, they announced the freedom for Kashmiri people, but they are silent because they have new human rights. I want to say the Western people, can you imagine if you spend a day in a more restrictions? They have no rights for medicine, they have no rights for outing, they have no rights to meet their sons, their daughters, their children. Then what will you do? Can you imagine? You know what happened with the Kashmiri mothers, what happened with the Kashmiri sisters, what happened with the Kashmiri daughters when the Indian soldiers rape with the Kashmiri daughters. Can you imagine? If in this situation your daughter, your sister, if your mother, what will happen with you? You will be mad. You will be mad. So, on this day, we want the freedom of Kashmir people from Indians. I give the suggestion to all the Muslims country to stand for Kashmir on this Pakistan Independence Day. I want to the Turkey people, I want to say the Saudi Arabia people, I want to say the Iran, I want to say the Afghanistan, and I want to the Indian nations, I want to the Malaysian people, and I want to the Bangladeshi, I want to say the Bangladeshi people. You also stand with the Kashmir people for the Kashmiri people freedom from Indians, from Indian soldiers, from Indian restrictions. I hope all the Muslims stand with the Kashmir, and also the Pakistani people, especially the youngster of Pakistan, they stand with Kashmir. They raise the voices of Kashmiri people in the platform of the Western countries, in the platform of UNO. I hope the Western countries also raise the voice from raise for the Kashmiri freedoms from Indians. In last, in last, I again want to say the whole Muslims countries. This is the work for the Muslims countries, not Western countries, because Kashmiri peoples also our brothers, our sisters, our mothers, our sons, our daughters, not the Western people's daughters, sons, mothers. They are our daughters, they are our mothers, they are our sons, they are our brothers. So we raise the voice, the freedom of Kashmir from Indians. Hope you will be act upon my words. I have best wishes for Kashmiri people and also the other Muslims countries. Thanks.